डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम फिफ्थ क्लास का सबक आवर सोलर सिस्टम इस सबक की हम रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। इस सबक में जो तीनों पैराग्राफ है सन, अर्थ और मून, ये तीनों पैराग्राफ हम इस वीडियो में पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। आप ध्यान से सुने और मेरे बाद रिपीट करें, जिससे आपकी इंग्लिश की अच्छी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस होगी। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो चलिए अब हम वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स,
Hello friends,
यू सी मी
you see me
in the sky
in the sky
every day.
every day.
You say
You say
that
that
I rise
I rise
in the east
in the east
and set
and set
in the west.
in the west.
Did you guess
Did you guess
who I am?
who I am?
Yes,
Yes,
that's right.
that's right.
I am the sun.
I am the sun.
Actually,
Actually,
I am a
I am
star
a star
like other
like other
stars
stars.
you see
You see
at night.
at night.
But I am
But I am
close to
close to
the earth.
the earth.
That is why
That is why
I look
I look
so big
so big
and bright.
and bright.
I give
I give
the earth
the earth
heat and light.
heat and light.
And remember,
And remember,
I don't go
I don't go
round the earth.
round the earth.
The earth
The earth
goes around me.
goes round me.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
I am
I am
the earth.
the earth.
I am
I am
a planet
a planet
in the
in the
solar system.
solar system.
I am
I am
the third planet
the third planet
from the sun.
from the sun.
I spin
I spin
around myself
around myself
all the time.
all the time.
At the same time,
At the same time,
I go
I go
round the sun.
round the sun.
I take
I take
1 year
1 year
to go
to go
round the sun.
round the sun.
Much of
Much of
my surface
my surface
is covered
is covered
with water.
with water.
If you look
If you look
at me
at me
from space,
from space,
I appear
I appear
blue in color.
blue in color.
That is why
That is why
some people
some people
call me
call me
the blue planet.
the blue planet.
There is
There is
an envelope
an envelope
of air
of air
around me.
around me.
Today,
Today,
I am
I am
the only
the only
home of plants,
home of plants,
animals,
animals,
and human beings.
and human beings.
Hello,
Hello,
people on earth.
people on earth.
I am
I am
your closest
your closest
neighbor.
neighbor.
I go
I go
round and round
round and round
the earth.
the earth.
From the earth,
From the earth,
you always
you always
see only
see only
one side
one side
of me.
of me.
You never see
You never see
the other side
the other side
or the
or the
other half of me.
other half of me.
People on earth
People on earth
love me.
love me.
They write
They write
stories
stories
and poems
and poems
about me.
about me.
They send
They send
spacecraft
spacecraft
to study
to study
me
me
from close.
from close.
Do you know
Do you know
two astronauts
two astronauts
from the earth
from the earth
landed on me
landed on me
once?
once?
Maybe
Maybe
someday
someday
other people
other people
on earth
on earth
will also
will also
come to
come to
visit me.
visit me.
I am the moon.
I am the moon.
डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो को दोबारा देखकर आप इंग्लिश रीडिंग की अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करें।